I just got back from a week-long trip. I have several packages of products to review for the YouTube channel. Let's see, what is this one? Okay, this is a wireless CarPlay Android adapter GetPairr Mini 2. These are really useful. We actually just installed one and make a huge difference in cars that need wires to connect to Apple CarPlay. This is the solution for it. So we'll install it in a car later or demonstrate how it works and save it for a permanent user later. I'm gonna do one of the easiest and fastest video reviews with this GetPairr Mini 2.0 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. And I say that because this device is super easy to install and also to operate. So basically you just plug it in. There it is. It can be either USB-A like here, or you can use the adapter for the USB-C. So in this case we don't need it. We can save it here for now. And here are the instructions. Is this product compatible with my car? It is with any car that has original wired CarPlay, and you have to have an iPhone that runs on iOS 10 or later. This is already, I don't know what the number is on the iOS, in the 17. Let me see here. This is iOS 26.1, so it requires 10 only, so definitely should work. And this is if it was hardwired. And again, I already demonstrated how you just plug it in. So let's turn on the car. And the GetPairr Mini is already blinking there. So let's go here to Bluetooth. Car to AF21. I'm gonna assume it's that one. Pair, allow, pairing request. Would you like to enable Apple CarPlay? Yes. Here it is. Connect. And it's connected now. So again, it was super easy. You don't have to do anything really. Just plug it in. Bluetooth connection through your phone and you're set. So now every time I come in this car, if it was my car, this is not my car, it will be connected. So there you have it. GetPairr Mini 2.0 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Really good product. I've done a couple of installations like this, and people who had to wire their phones and everything every time, when they see this they go crazy because it really makes it like a no-brainer. You need to have this if you still have to use wires to connect your phone to your car. So thumbs up, GetPairr Mini 2.0.